Hi, Todd Martin here with the Walking Code. The exercise I have for you in today's video is going to be absolutely critical to help you move more fluidly and also to understand the various movements that are going on with your core. I get a lot of comments from people who are having trouble understanding when they're using their lower abs, when they're using their upper abs, or how they're using them. And when we're walking in a straight line, sometimes it's hard to figure that out. The exercise I have for you in this video is going to really make it clear which muscles you're moving and what the difference is if you were to try to execute the wrong type of movements. So please watch this video and also stay till the very end because I do have some questions for you that I want to have answered at the end of this video. But first, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber, and click on the bell so you can get notifications for my future videos. Also, if you haven't already done so and you enjoy the content on this channel, click the join button and become a member and show your support. How the heel is brought down in the circle walk depends on whether you are bringing down the inside leg heel or the outside leg heel. When bringing down the heel of the inside leg, the motion is initiated by turning the lower abs toward the inside leg. When bringing down the heel of the outside leg, the motion is initiated by turning the upper abs towards the inside leg. When initiating the swing through with the outside leg, begin after the swing leg collects to the side of the standing leg. The arm on the side of the inside leg should swing forward when the swing through is initiated. When initiating the swing through with the inside leg, begin while the swing leg toes are still on the ground. The arm on the side of the outside leg will continue swinging forward when the swing through is initiated. Now let's look at the core techniques for those of you studying the walking code. To review the core techniques, see the definitions in the video description.